Hello, friends. Now it's time to apply our learning to our project. So now we want to apply all these relationship. I want to connect all these four tables with a relationship. For that, I will first choose this so that we'll have the extra space. Now, one connection we have already made between region dim to athletes facts. Let's cross check it once again. Properties. So this relationship is connecting my athlete's fact to regional name on the basis of country ID. So country ID, I know the regional name is having a unique values, while athlete's fact will have multiple type of country ID. In fact, it is already visible this in this kind of a thing into the this preview also, but don't trust the preview because it will give you a random three rows. Still, I know that we have made table structure like this. Like regional team will have the unique country ID, while my athletes fact will have multiple because it is on the basis of game and player ID. So every player ID might have a different country, right? So now here the connection, the cardinality. So first of all, I have to see the cardinality. Cardinality should be many to one, and yes, Power BI has identified this cardinality correctly. What if, what if I'll choose it to a wrong? Let's suppose I choose it to one to many. It will give me the error. The cardinality you selected is not valid for the relationship. If I want to make it one to many, so it has given me the error that this is not possible. What if I'll do one to one? No, it will take only one many to one. Similarly, I have checked the cardinality, many to one. Then I have to check the cross filter. I want it filter to be applied on both the direction. So both the table can filter each other. And I want to make this relationship active. So, okay. Now I have cross checked and this relationship is true and find it perfectly working fine. Now I want to make one more relationship and there again I will go to the manage relationship. I will click on the new. This time I want to select game dim and athletes fact. I want to connect these two tables. So game in dim, obviously I need to go to the game ID and the athletes fact game ID. Although it has given the chosen the same columns by Power BI intelligence, but we can change this also. We can change something like this also, right? So once I will change the game ID to game ID, again I have to check the cardinality. Game dimension, I know the game dimension is the table which I have made where the game ID is the unique thing, and athletes fact is the where we have the multiple game ID. So there the cardinality will be one to many. Yes, it is one colon star. Cross filter direction, I want to make it again the both, and I want to make this relationship active. Okay, so now we have two relationship available in my data model now. So my table structures, my data model structure looks something like this now. Now one more relationship that I need to make, that is between the player dimension and the athlete fact. It is on the basis of player ID. So I will drag my player ID to my athlete fact player ID, and yes, now the relationship is maintained. I need not to go to the properties to read all the things, because from this denotion only I can read that player dimension two athletes it has connected as one two star. That means one too many, and that is true. Player dimension has the unique player IDs, while the athlete's fact was having the multiple IDs available for one player ID. So that's why the cardinality is one too many. But the filter it is given me is a single. I'll change that thing. I'll change that thing to both. And this line is a solid line. That means it is an active relationship now. I need to change this properties. I'll go and change the filter as both. Now here My all my tables are connected, and with one good star schema structured data model is ready for me to consume for the visualization. So this is all about the module 5. In module 6, we will learn about more deeper and better concept and features of Power BI. Till then, thank you.